Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music Ministries and organist at the church. On Sunday, August 22nd, our soloist Susie will be singing a song called My Life Flows On in Endless Praise. Some of us know it as How Can I Keep From Singing? Now you're probably thinking, John, why did you choose that? That doesn't have anything to do with the liturgy. Well, actually it does. It has everything to do with the liturgy of life. And what the song is saying, that no matter what happens, what difficulties we go through, what sorrows we go through, how we feel like God has given us just a little bit too much to handle, we can turn to Christ, who is our rock. The refrain of this song is what most people remember. No storm can shake my inmost calm, while on that rock I'm clinging. Since Christ is Lord of heaven and earth, how can I keep from singing? No matter what happens, we always have a song in our heart, in our head. Listen to the melody of this refrain. This song also has a direct reference to some famous people. I'll use that in quotes. Some of you may remember the controversy when Pete Seeger, back in, I think it was 1966, sang this at the Newport Folk Festival, but changed the words. He took the worship connotation out of it and used it to emphasize his distrust of the, what he calls them witch hunts, of the House of Un-American Activities Committee. But if you remember, back in the 1950s, he was arrested for vocalizing his opinion on some of the people who were in politics in America. Some of the cool things about this song is that the very first season of The Muppet Show, Jim Henson, the puppeteer, sang this hymn as the voice of Rolf. Rolf was the dog. Now, in his radio singing debut, Martin Sheen, yes, Martin Sheen, sang this song on Prairie Home Companion. And there's a contemporary composer that we do hear a lot at St. Paul Lutheran called Chris Tomlin, who took this song and made his own song, How Can I Keep From Singing His Praise? So it's a popular song, and it goes to our heart to let us know that no matter what happens, all we have to do is to lean on Him. Please enjoy this solo on Sunday, and thank you for listening.